My dad's gonna come right here. The first thing you wanna do is take somebody to your fuck. I know, you know I bit you? I didn't bite you hard.
Under United States v. Watson, 423 U.S. 411 and 725 ILCS 51072, an active arrest warrant is a prior judicial probable cause determination.
14 or 29, your status.
Denise.
Gentle Lincoln.
Yesterday we talked about it. You just told me. Yesterday we talked about it. Guy, the man said I'm stupid to me. And I said I'm hungry, and I come in here all the time, and you feed the other people. You let them come in here, you let them rob you, you don't say nothing. You know what I'm saying? So I said, I come here, you say I can get the damn coffee. He said something really derogatory, like, go make some money. I'm like, what the fuck you mean go make some money? Like, dude, I don't make money, bitch, I've been living here. I don't need nobody to validate that I be here. I've been living here for 18, 30 something years. I mean, it's okay, you bitches want me to make it loud, and proud is cool. But I've been living here, I'm sorry, my tongue's kind of messed up. But I've been living for like 18 some years, 30 some years. Bro, you're not gonna say nothing derogatory to me. They think I'm not gonna get about. You're not gonna keep messing and telling me, but allow me to come in the store. That you're not gonna do. So anyway, I talked to him, and yeah, I just told him that. He said, yeah. So, you have to clean it up or whatever. We gotta clean it up. There's some coffee and there's some tea. There's some tea and spilled, you know? It's hot as tea and spilled. So I'm kind of, you know?
Gotcha.
So yeah, it didn't break nothing. Finally, just yeah. But yeah, no.
Okay, well, do you mind walking back this way for me?
No, I wouldn't mind, but my tongue, baby, is on fire. You ain't got nothing for it. I'm not. You're not finna. I have a medical problem right now. Understand? I understand that. I have a medical problem.
You can get an ambulance for you.
You can get a lot of shit from me, but the way you're feeling, I don't know what you can really do for me. I want to. Do you mind just easing up off me right now because I'm really feeling some type of way. You understand? So it's a food station down there, and one thing I'm looking at is food because it's been doing this for a couple of days. Like you know, things come out of it, and it's hard to, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't just it's out. So I wanna soothe it, like try to see if I can soothe it, eat, get something to drink. Like it's really bothering me. I don't have time for and that's that. I'm gonna go get some food. That's that. My dad's down the street. That's down the street. I'm not gonna play with it. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I did nothing to nobody. I blew up, and that's what that was. Simple as that. Okay? I've been having that for a couple of days. Okay? Church down 8th Street. I'm gonna go do it. Okay? Starving, and you're not gonna keep calling and bothering me. You know what's the reason? Mr. Sir. Mr. Sir. Don't do. I mean, you can't touch me for not breaking the law. You are bothering. You can't touch me. I'm not fucking famous. You can't do that to me. I ain't breaking the law. You not.
Hold up a second.
My tongue is in my face. You're not gonna. I could have a fucking disease. You're not gonna touch me.
Listen.
You
have a warrant for your arrest. You have to go to jail.
I just said. You can't. The whole nation was there. What war for what? You have a warrant for being taking a donut. You have the army. You have the officer. You have the jury. You have the Lieutenant Moulin. You can't. No, sir. Go stop that. Stop that. The lady we did that. Oh, you know what another thing was, baby? I was at a fucking doctors. I was at the motherfucking place. I was a psych ward. No, I don't. I took care of that. Why you keep bothering me? I don't know.
But you have
I don't. I'm telling you, I took care of that. Okay? Now, like you never mind, don't bite my tongue. I'm suing you. I have it on my tongue. You stand, you see it or you don't. You see it or you don't.
Right, well,
you see it? You see it or don't?
I don't see it.
Yeah.
Oh, you bit your tongue?
No, it's really bad, boy.
Okay.
I don't want to bother. Every time I get irritated, my tongue starts bleeding. I start itching.
Okay.
I don't want to be bothered. I have a medical problem, and I'm going to take care of it.
Okay.
I have to take care of it.
I could get an ambulance for you, but look,
You have a warrant.
You have a warrant. You have to go to jail.
Sir. Listen, I'm going this way. Don't touch me. I'm going this way.
You have a warrant. You have to go to jail.
I'm going this way. Oh, that's it. I'm going. Pull it out. Just pull it out. Pull it out.
You have a warrant.
You want to touch me?
You have a warrant. You have to go to jail.
I'm gonna fuck right. Give me like 8 years long.
Yeah. You will be walking westbound the North Alley, about 900 blocks of 10th Street. You are to the West Alley, 900 blocks of Denise, stop! Eastbound 900 blocks of 9th Street.
Tell me my shit. Man, I got the shit. Get off of me. Get off. My brown moves are messing me up here. I'm trying to do all my stuff. Stop. Look, dude.
907 9th Street.
Look.
907 9th Street.
Look. Look. No. You call the ambulance. You got me f***ed up, bitch. If I don't know you. Get off of me. Get off of me. My city, bitch. Get off. I'm moving on myself. If they do it, don't okay, please. Please do it. Do it. Don't hurt me, okay? You promise? You promise don't hurt me.
Yeah.
Come on.
Can I go back?
Could you hold my chest up?
907. 907.
My chest up. Hold my chest up. I'm moving back. Hold on, man. 1 second. I'm not trying to go. Stupid. What you want? Hold on, I can't breathe. You see, I'm so fucking telling bro, stupid. Fucking stupid boy, I'm tired of this. I'm so tired of you hoes. This hurts. It hurts. It hurts, dude. It's okay. It's okay. My dad's gonna come back and he'll kill you. The first thing you want to do is take somebody to a fuck. I know. You know I bit you? I didn't bite you hard. I didn't bite down. I didn't bite down because I told you to stop fucking touching me. You kept motherfucking doing it. So I don't go. I didn't bite down. I told you I was okay. You kept fucking harassing. You kept doing it. You psycho bitch. You ain't get a picture, bitch. You ain't get a picture, bitch. It don't matter. You ain't get nothing famous.
Hey, listen. You caused aggravated battery to an officer.
The man
so,
put me on the
so
date.
you're gonna go to the
I didn't-
hospital. He's gonna go with you.
Okay.
Then afterwards, you're gonna come back and you're still gonna be under arrest.
Okay, that's fine.
So,
That's fine.
What's wrong with you?
My song, I have, dude, I'm smoking some more shit, dude. Yeah, baby, that's my stuff there. How you doing today? Oh, that's the only technically. How you doing today? So technically, I didn't bite you. Technically, I didn't bite you. Technically, I didn't bite you.
guys.
You got
some crack today?
Back up. To go moron that I'm doing drugs. Moron. You can't just come up with me like that. So you see, guys.
You take regular habits?
Yeah,
if she wants, she can track it out.
Oh, but you, he can't stop me. He can't stop me with nasty person, right? Damn looking ass. Keep it on there. You can go with the two.
That officers are legally obligated to execute. The subject's claim the warrant was resolved carries zero legal effect. Only a court order formally quashing the warrant terminates arrest authority, not a verbal claim at the scene. Flight independently satisfied 720 ILCS 531-1, resisting or obstructing a peace officer, separate from the underlying warrant. Under Atwater v. City of Lago, Vista, 532 U.S. 318, custodial arrest is constitutional even for minor underlying offenses. The warrant makes that authority unquestionable. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, governs all use of force analyzes through a three-factor test. All three factors were met. A lawful warrant execution, active flight and physical resistance, and immediate threat during alley apprehension. A taser warning that produced compliance without deployment reflects proportional force calibration under that standard. The bite constitutes aggravated battery of a peace officer under 720 ILCS 512.3.54. Legal threshold is contact, not force applied. The subject's "I didn't bite you hard" is legally irrelevant. Human bites carry documented infectious disease transmission risk, explaining the officer's mandatory hospital transport and elevating the charge's seriousness. Charges filed: battery on an officer, 5C12 3.05. Criminal trespass, 720 ILCS 521-3. Drug paraphernalia, 720 ILCS 600 3.5. Plus active warrant execution, 4 separate legal exposures from one 8-minute encounter. The responding officers receive a B+. Patient initial contact, clear warrant disclosure, proactive ambulance offer, coordinated pursuit, and proportional force are all documented strengths. Prolonged pre-arrest dialogue in an uncontrolled environment created the flight window. Miranda advisement not audibly confirmed. The subject receives a D. Refusal of a warrant-backed arrest, active flight, and a bite on a duty officer individually and collectively indefensible under law. Mental health history, housing instability, and physical distress mitigating factors for the court to weigh, not the street. 2 takeaways. An active warrant cannot be argued away at the scene. Only a court order quashes it. Counsel and courts are the lawful remedy. A bite meets the legal threshold for aggravated battery the moment contact is made, regardless of perceived force applied. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal top issue would like us to discuss in the comments. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.